Meaning of horseman.
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 Horseman. The term horseman refers to a skilled rider of horses, typically one who participates in equestrian sports or activities such as horse racing, polo, or show jumping. In the past, horsemen were also important figures in military or agricultural settings where horses played a vital role. A horseman is characterized by their ability to communicate effectively with their horse and their mastery of the techniques required for riding. Today, horsemen continue to be admired for their skill and athleticism, and many pursue careers in equestrian sports, training, or other horse-related fields.